How to lose weight with green tea and apple cider vinegar. I'm sure this is not the first time you've heard about losing weight with green tea and apple cider vinegar. In this video, we are not only going to give you the recipe and steps on how to prepare an effective green tea apple cider vinegar drink, but we will share with you also the studies behind their effectiveness as a weight loss drink. Green tea and apple cider vinegar are increasingly becoming part of fad diets, but that's only because they have long been known to provide incredible support for weight loss. Of course, you can't expect a simple beverage to work miracles. While consuming it will help you shed some pounds, losing a significant amount of weight will require a healthy, well-portioned diet and regular exercise. The research behind green tea and apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Green tea has incredible value in natural medicine because it offers an unbelievable number of health benefits. One of its most important properties is its antioxidant capacity. For weight loss specifically, the catechins in green tea prove to be the most beneficial. According to a study published by the Journal of the American College of Nutrition in 2006, the catechins in green tea help boost metabolism. Consequently, that leads to long-term weight loss. Additionally, a study performed by researchers from the State University of New Jersey in 2003 shows that a specific type of catechins, referred to as epigallocatechin gallate, stimulates the body to burn fat. These are the reasons why green tea consumption is often recommended to people looking to lose weight and get in shape. Similarly, vinegar has also been incredibly popular for weight loss. Specifically, apple cider vinegar has incredible effects on the body, especially when it comes to the gut microbiome. Additionally, several studies have already shown vinegar's incredible potential health benefits. Not only does it improve blood sugar levels, but also boosts metabolism, burns fat, and suppresses the appetite. Given all these health benefits, it's no surprise that green tea and apple cider vinegar drinks have become as popular as they are among people watching their weight and looking to shed some fat. Apple cider vinegar and green tea weight loss drink. Ingredients: 1 cup warm or lukewarm water, 1 tea bag or 2 teaspoons green tea, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Procedure: this recipe is meant to produce just 1 serving. You may drink it up to 2 times a day to enjoy its weight loss benefits. It's up to you to decide when you want to drink it, but the best results are often achieved when you take it soon after waking and about 30 minutes before exercising. Although you might be tempted to drink this more often to achieve your desired results sooner, don't. Don't forget that green tea contains caffeine, which can be harmful when consumed in excess. Additionally, you might become excessively acidic and be prone to stomach ulcers. How to lose weight with green tea and apple cider vinegar is incredibly easy. Because both ingredients work within the body to burn fat and boost your metabolism, there's not much else to do but drink it at the right time. But if you combine this with a proper exercise regimen as well as a nutritious and well-balanced diet, you'll enjoy more significant losses in both fat and weight. Plus, you'll even enjoy other benefits like better digestion and cardiovascular health. Following our study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.